In this video, I am going to be demonstrating how to log into the Sproutly mobile app for the first time. When your child is onboarded, this is the onboarding SMS you get from Sproutly. This message contains a default password to be used for your first time login and a link to download the Sproutly mobile app, either from your Play Store or Apple Store. So the first step is to click on the link, and it's going to direct you to your App Store or Play Store to download the app. After that, you click on install and you install the Sproutly mobile app. After installing, I will click on open and I'll be redirected to a login screen where I will be asked to fill in my login details, my phone number, and the default password sent to my SMS. After filling in my phone number details, I will be asked to put in the default password. I will go to the SMS and copy it and come back to paste it. When you log in, you'll be prompted to change this default password to something more convenient that you can always remember, anything of your choice. You first enter your old password, which is the default password sent to your SMS, and then you enter a new password of your choice. But please note, it should always follow the certain guidelines highlighted here. It should have a lowercase character, an uppercase character, a numerical character, and one special character, and it should be 8 characters long. After filling this in, I will be asked to re-enter the new password, and I will click on next. When I click on next, the password is reset successfully. Now I'm going to log in using the new password that I just set. Immediately you log in, a prompt will come up for you to set up a transaction PIN, which will be used to finalize your invoice payments on the app. When that is done, you can also set up your biometrics, Face ID or fingerprint so that subsequent logins you don't need to re-enter your password again. You can just use your biometrics. Now, in a situation where you do not have access to the onboarding SMS that contains the default password, another way to log into the Sproutly mobile app for the first time is to use the forgot password method, which I'm going to be taking us through now. Now, you'll be required to enter your onboarding phone number and then click on the forgot password. Immediately you click on the forgot password, you'll be required to re-enter the phone number that you used to sign up so that an OTP will be sent to that number for you to reset your password. Then you click on request OTP to request for the OTP. The OTP has been sent to me and I'm going to be entering it into this space that has been left for it. After inputting the OTP, a prompt will come up for me to reset my password, and I'm going to be resetting the password. Please remember, you have to put a password that follows the required rules: a lowercase character, an uppercase character, a numerical character, a special character, that is your hash, your and or at, and it must be 8 characters long. After that, you'll be required to re-enter the new password. This is how you reset your password if you don't have access to the onboarding SMS that contains the default password, or if you forget your password. Thank you.